Hi, welcome to KV's Plants and Orchids. These are my Dracaena Tricolor green plant. They belong to the Dracaena Marginata group only. The Dracaena genus includes about 120 species of different shrubs and trees. They make excellent houseplants because they are drought tolerant, and it is an evergreen tree that can grow up to 8 to 15 feet tall, and it keeps bushy by growing new plants from down nearby the root, or if you cut also it can grow, but from root nearby the base of the root itself sometimes plants grow. And I have two of this variety, and I will explain the light requirement. If you are growing it indoor, you can give it filtered sunlight nearby the window, or if it is outside, you should give a semi shaded spot. It will be an ideal location, but don't keep a Dracaena plant in direct sunlight, especially in North India where the summers are very hot. If you keep it in direct sunlight, the leaves can become scorched. See, here it rained yesterday, that is why water drops are hanging around. Here we have our monsoon season have just started. How to water this plant? It requires less water than the normal indoor plants, but it would like to have moist soil but not soggy soil, and it is better if you can allow the plant to dry out, the top soil dry out before you watering, but you should not overwater. Overwatering can lead to drooping of the leaves or yellowing of the leaves, and if poor drainage is there, there is a possibility of getting water stagnation, and it can lead to the drooping of the leaves. And it is very sensitive to fluorides which is present in the tap water which we drink. So because of that, it is better to give water which is RO water is better. See, here you are seeing the leaves are very good, but here I have bore water which I give them. I don't give the water which is coming in corporation taps. So you can see the old leaves can become dry up, but the new leaves has to be proper, and it likes the temperature, normal temperature, but with great humidity, because it has it is the native of it is the natural rainforest condition it prefers. So to give humidity, you can, if your place doesn't have humidity, you can mist them, or you can keep them in humidity trays. Humidity tray is nothing but keeping a tray filled with pebble and pouring some water over it, and you can keep the plant on top of it. See, here I don't have to do all those things. I keep my humidity loving plants nearby the lotus pond, lily pond, which is, so there is more humidity in the garden. So I keep all of them nearby my lily pond. And this plant is toxic to cats and dogs, so you have to be very careful. And pest problems are not there much, but you can watch for mealybugs, spider mites and scales. If at all you find anything, you can always spray with neem oil. And then propagation is, you can just make a cut below the leaf line, and then it should include many nodes, then only it will root. I will show you another. See, this is another Dracaena arbora. See, this much long stem I have cut, and it has developed two small shoots have come, and another one is about to come. So, I have used the normal soil with a little bit perlite and sand more, because the water there should be more aeration, and this is a terracotta pot, and one more I planted. See. So, this way also you can propagate it. To make it, if you want to make it bushy, you can just cut the stem, and like this I have showed, many new shoots will develop and it will become very bushy. Here you can see it has grown into some different shapes, because I have kept in my garden where it doesn't have much space. So, they are arranged very close together. No? So, some shoots have appeared and it has grown into to get sunlight, it has developed a little bit different stem, zigzag stems. Okay. Here the plant is develop another root itself which goes down. See, here another plant has come from the base of the root. That way also new plants come, but usually propagation is done by cutting the stem with 6-7 nodes and keeping in. If you can keep in water also to root, then you have to change the water many times, at least once in a week. But when you grow them in water, the roots has to get accustomed to soil when you transplant it. So, here I put them in soil only to propagate, and you can fertilize them in spring and summer with nitrogen rich fertilizer. There is no flower coming in this, so you don't have to worry about potash, but still some potash is needed, and it is also very good for purifying the air. So, you can include them in the indoor garden also, if there is enough sunlight coming nearby the window where you can keep them. So, it will grow nicely. So, I hope I have covered all the points of Dracaena. Beautiful plant, you can add this plant, it is very easy to grow. I don't think it will give you any problem. So, you can always, this is a old plant actually, they are not new, they are growing for many years, and of course, I need repotting. That is why the one small root has come out. No? So, if you like the video, press the like button. If you are a first time subscriber, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.